I'm Nasan Naidu. I'm from Information Management, Business Enablement specifically. And our job this year was to help host the IM portion of the exhibition. We want to introduce all the latest careers in IT at this platform so that when young kids come, they know they can interact with people, they can interact with the technology directly, and they can feel confident before choosing their careers. After this experience at Techno X, I want the learners to go away feeling they can have a great career in information management and specifically cybersecurity. We have all our experts here. They are thought leaders in their areas and they're going to impart great knowledge and wisdom to the people. My advice to the young kids will be go out there, see what you've learned from the exhibition stands, but take it one step further. ChatGPT, go and check what these careers bring to you, where you can go with it, play, innovate, be excited about the future because it's your future and you define it.